Everyone kept asking, where do I even start? Here's Infinity Learning Path for both offensive and defensive, brought to you by CWL. So we built this. Let's explore the paths. Offensive, defensive, 2 paths, your choice. Click into offensive. Web Security to SQLi Basics module. Here's the challenge list. Introduction, broken search, catalog login logic, username, second strike, open gate. Let's come into defensive. Defensive, Azure threat hunting, detecting identity-based attacks in Entra ID. Here's the challenge list. Detect identity-based attacks. Hunt in Entra ID, 7 real scenarios, 90 points. Start at beginner, work up to expert, at your own pace. Free to try, no subscription needed. Visit infinity.cyberwarfare.live.